Hi, this is Sherry with RovingFox RV Adventures. Today I'm going to defrost our refrigerator, which I haven't done in a while, and I try to do it once every 30 days. That way I never forget, and even if it doesn't really need it that badly, I do it anyway, so it's become a habit. It only takes me about 20 minutes, which is really short. So follow along with me, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to let us know. Thank you. So the first thing I'm going to do is turn off the refrigerator. There it goes. Okay, then I'm going to take my food out and I'm going to put it in a cooler. But you could put the food in your refrigerator if you have room. Okay, I've done that. Next thing I'm going to do is I have 2 towels I'm going to use to sop up the water as it melts. So I'm going to put these on the bottom. As you can see, whoops, put that away. There's quite a bit of ice crystals in here. Normally, I don't have this many ice crystals, but I've been letting it go for a little bit of extra time, and that's what happens. I'm convinced that if you clean out your freezer every month, it'll probably last a lot longer. So I've got my hair dryer plugged in, and I'm going to put it on low, not high, but just low. And there's 4 quadrants here, and I'm going to do the left side at the top, the right side at the top, and then the left bottom and the right bottom. So it'll all drain down and it'll go really fast. Okay, so it's all defrosted off the back. I'm just going to dump this in the refrigerator and wipe out the bottom. Dump this in the sink, I mean. Wipe out what little bit I have left in here. out the freezer while you're at it. That's it for now, and now I'm going to put the frozen food back in there. By the way, I was told by a refrigerator repairman that the ideal situation is to leave a little space all the way around the freezer, and it helps everything stay cold, and it helps your refrigerator to last longer when the air can circulate around the outside. But it is very difficult to do because it's such a small freezer. If you put almost anything in there, it's hard to leave an extra little space because there isn't much room. So that's it for my freezer. I'm going to turn it back on. And there we go. So that's the end of the defrosting job. It took me less than a half an hour. I didn't really time it, but normally it's about 20 minutes. So anyway, that's what we do. If you'd like to subscribe to our channel, we would love to see you there, and see you next time.